Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the blacksmith in 99 Nights in the Forest, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to use the blacksmith, make sure you watch the video up until the end. So anyways, you're going to find the blacksmith pretty close to the base. He's going to be about should be near the fire biome, or just whatever biome is spawned in at the time. Again, should be very close. Maybe you might need map level 3 to be up here. But anyways, once you are at the blacksmith, it will, if you, let's just say you try upgrading your axe, for example, it's going to say you are not holding a tool you can upgrade. And what that basically means is that you can only have 2 tools that you can upgrade. And these 2 tools are going to be the fishing rod or the flute. So you can go ahead and actually view the shop, and you can go ahead and buy, let's just say whatever, the flute. And then you can go ahead and place it here. And then once you have enough XP, you can go ahead and upgrade it. Now, again, this will not be for the other weapons like an axe or a weapon or like a spear or whatever, like armor. You can only do it with those 2 specific weapons. So yeah, that should be it. That is pretty much it. Once you have the required XP, you guys can go ahead and upgrade your weapon basically. So yeah, that should be it for the video. That is how to use the blacksmith. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.